and all. I hope you all would have been enjoying the Devaram post which we are releasing every week as a part of Pillai Natyalya's Thirunjana Sambandha Devaram initiative. It is equally interesting to understand about Thirunjana Sambandha and his Devara Padalgal. Today we have with us Dr. N. Somasundaram. He is also my dear father, who is going to help us to understand about one of Devaram, Todudaya Seviyan, and about Thirunjana Sambandha.
Tiruchitrambalam. Thirunjana Sambandhar, the greatest miracle and the greatest description of Lord Shiva and Parasakti in the entire Saivait is given by this Nayanmar in an excellent way. He has put Lord Shiva and Parasakti inside a small capsule by a simple formula, and is a definition of the earring of Lord Shiva, the white moon which he is wearing, the bull on which he is sitting, and white ash which he is wearing. Thirunjana Sambandhar belongs to 6th to 7th century AD, and when he was 3 years old child, his father fetched him to the nearby temple, Lord Shiva's temple, called Thoniyapar temple in Sirgali, and left the child nearby a temple tank, and he went for bathing. Without seeing his father, the 3-year child began to weep, and on hearing the weeping sound, Lord Shiva and Parasakti appeared before the child, and Parasakti offered divine milk to the child. And when the father returned, by seeing the drops of milk on the lips, he inquired that who offered milk. The child replied in a very beautiful way. You could not see such a type of description of Lord Shiva throughout Saivam. தோடுடைய செவியன் விடையேறி ஒரு தூவன் மதிசூடி காடுடைய சுடலை பொடிபூசி என் உள்ளங்கோர் கல்வன் ஏடுடைய மலரால் உன்னை நான் பணிந்தேத்த அருள் செய்த பீடுடைய பிரம்மாபுரம் ஏவிய பெம்மானிவன் என்றேன். The excellent definition. The God who wears a ring in his ears, the God who comes on the holy bull, the God who wears the flawless white moon on his head, the God who smears the ash from the cremation ground, the thief who stole the heart of this child, the God who blessed Brahma when Brahma prayed, he is none other than the Perumal of this Brahmapuram, that is Sirgali. What a beautiful definition. Now you can imagine that before offering milk, Parasakti would have taken the child on her hands, and the child is lying on her hands like a child lying on a cradle. Now from the horizontal view of the child has seen at a 45-degree angle the earrings of Lord Shiva. At 90-degree angle it has seen the moon at the head of Lord Shiva. At 180-degree angle the child has seen the holy bull. And at 360 degree, by rotating the eyes, the child has seen the sacred ash on Lord Shiva. The formula is very simple. Who has given you the milk? Yes, this thief. Who is wearing the ring? Who has come on holy bull? On whose head the white moon is appearing? Who is wearing sacred ash? This thief has stolen my heart. Now the milk was offered by Parasakti. The child never described Parasakti. It simply described Lord Shiva by 4 points. 1 by ring, 1 by moon, 1 by bull, and 1 by sacred ash. If an excellent definition of Lord Shiva, which was put into a small capsule. This is the first Tirumurai. You would have seen 12 Tirumurai. Among these 12 Tirumurai, first, second, third Tirumurai written by this Nayanmar, Thiruñana Sambandar. He started his prayer and Tirumurai at the age of 3. The place is called Sirgali, which is locating nearby the great Chidambaram of Thirulai Natarajar, and the time is in between 6th to 7th century AD, and this is the first Tirumurai, first song, Thodudiya Seviyan. What a great definition of Lord Shiva, within whom Parasakti is also included. Tiruchitrambalam.